Oftentimes you will hear the politicians saying that the rich are not paying the fair share of their taxes, either in the US or in Canada. But in Canada, we have a different system we call progressive tax system. And in that system, a subset of population are actually bearing the burden of the entire country's tax collection. And you'll be surprised if I share this research with you that how interesting these findings are. So Fraser Research, who published this report by using the data published by Canadian government themselves, and according to them, the top 20% of the high income earning individuals and families, they're paying up to 61% of the entire personal income tax collection in this country. And when you compare this across the entire tax collection, which is personal income tax, property taxes, GSTs, HSTs, everything, these top 20% are contributing into the entire tax collection by 53%. So 53% of their contribution is in the total tax collection. In contrast, if you look at the bottom 20%, they are making 0.7% of the entire personal income tax collection. And if you compare this across the entire tax collection, those bottom 20% are making 2% contribution, 2%. So 2%, the bottom 20, and 53% the top 20%. That's the difference, guys. That's the level of tax collection that the top 20% are giving to this country to basically bear the burden of the entire population. So when you see or hear these politicians saying that these riches are not paying their fair share, they're actually using these words to deceive you. Basically, those 20% are actually paying pretty much more than half of the entire tax collection. So if you, by the way, those 20% means the people are making above $243,000 in annual income. And the bottom 20% means the individuals making less than $60,000 a year. So the top 20%, quote unquote, rich who are not paying their fair share are already paying 53% in total tax collection and 63% in personal income tax collection in this country. So when you push them too hard, what do you think is going to happen? They will definitely consider leaving this country and moving to somewhere like US, where they only pay 40% on their income tax, and then they can enjoy a cheaper lifestyle, bigger houses, better weather, more opportunities, both on business side and on job side. So why would someone stay in this country and pay 60% tax on their income? This is insane. So I think these politicians who are thinking that by taxing the rich, they can figure out somehow how to raise the tax collection, they are actually risking losing those individuals, because simply, if I was one of those individuals, I would definitely question my decision that why the hell I am living in this country, paying 60% of my personal income taxes, where the weather is not good, the living cost is too high, and not enough opportunities from business and jobs perspective. That's really the situation is. So whenever you see these politicians making these claims, you know these are basically saying BS. Anyway, let me know what you think. Put your comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.